Attention mechanism. An attention mechanism is a component in neural networks that enables the model to dynamically focus on specific parts of the input data while processing information, assigning different levels of importance to different elements. Think of it like reading a paragraph where your brain automatically emphasizes certain words while skimming others. The network learns which parts of the input deserve more attention based on context, creating weighted connections that highlight relevant information while downplaying noise. In machine translation, when converting "the cat sat on the mat" to another language, the attention mechanism helps the model focus on cat when translating the corresponding word, rather than being distracted by mat or sat. This concept builds on principles used in deep learning architectures to improve accuracy in sequence-based tasks. Attention mechanisms are fundamental to modern AI breakthroughs, powering transformer models used in language processing, image recognition, and recommendation systems. They solve the problem of long-range dependencies, allowing networks to maintain context across lengthy sequences. Attention mechanism.